Welcome back, traders. Today's reminder is a simple one, guys, and that is less is more. Remember, you don't need all the indicators in the world, right? You don't need all the charts. You don't need all the strategies, all the little arrows pointing buy here, sell here. You don't need everything in the world to be successful. Sometimes you just need to remove stuff, and you remember that less is more. Once you have only the things that you need to be efficient, to be effective, that's when you're going to be successful. So pay attention to the things that you're not using, that you just have there because it makes you feel comfortable, because it makes you feel cool, and get rid of it. And I'm telling you, it will help you a lot. Just remove all the distractors. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Be efficient, be effective, execute, 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 and I'll see you on the next one.
More money, more money!